a second. How much did you say you got?
130,000. They started shutting down my credit cards, and the bank, when they pull my credit, my score's not too good because they base a lot of that score on how much of your revolving debt is maxed out. So it was really scary. I had to be careful not to max that out. But when I heard about you guys, I discovered that I could do all this on the business side and it wouldn't show up on my personal credit report. So that made a huge difference, and I jumped on it, and I paid the fee, and it wasn't very long before the staff with your company had $130,000 in business credit. And so I started using that. Anything I had on my personal credit cards, I transferred over and bought 3 houses, fixed them up, and working with the bank to get the refinances. They're almost done. I should have those cashed out within a couple of weeks, and then I'll just keep doing it. And
wait a second. How much did you say you got?
130,000.
Whoa! Wow, making it rain. That's nice.